In this video, I'm going to show you what functions you can add to your workflow. As you can see, there are many widgets to choose from, starting with labels and ending with personal protective equipment check. But let's take a look step by step. Let's start with label and text. Label will allow you to put a text and choose a placement of it. If you want your users to give text information, text input is the right option. For example, describe an issue. Starting from here, you can make all of your fields required. This means that users will not be able to move to another step unless they complete the current one. Moving forward to number and date picker. Once you give your number input a title, you can set a minimal and maximal value, unit, and precision if you want to have additional numbers after comma. Date picker will allow your users to pick a date, for example, next planned equipment check. Then we have checkbox and radio buttons. Checkbox is a multiple selection option. You can add 6 checkboxes in total. Radio button allows you to select one of multiple options. 6 options in total can be added as well. Let's move to image and video. Add images or videos to your workflow to make your instructions easier to follow. Same can be done with PDF. If you have a PDF file, you can add that too. Please note that this function works in full page layout only. Detect QR code widget. Use this function to, for example, check into different stations within the workplace. Going further, we have image and video capture. Capture image or video widgets will allow your users to take pictures and videos which you as an admin will be able to see in the final report. Users can either use their camera directly or select an item from a gallery. The last one is Visual Personal Protective Equipment Check. This will detect whether safety equipment is in place. Choose whether it should be a face, head, or hand cover, and your users will have to take a picture to show that safety equipment is in place. This was the overview for now, but there are many more exciting functions to come, so stay tuned.